All right, we took an Asia session trade on a Sunday night at 10:50 p.m. Now, completely out of the ordinary. Okay, I'll basically run you through. I took it on my I took it on my Alpha Futures eval, not my Top Step. I'm trying to get funded with Alpha just because they have the best payout rules. It is I know I have a list because I have my retainer in, but they do have a pretty annoying consistency rule. But besides that, they pay you out. They pay you out like first of all, like I think it's like 80%, and you get to keep your drawdown of -2,000 once you get a payout. So it's not like it goes to zero. Really, really good rules on Alpha. So that's what I'm doing here. This is what I named the account. What the fucking, but yeah, we're gonna try to pass this account. Um, I traded it on Thursday. Did I post a trade recap on Thursday? I don't know. I traded on Thursday. I had a good day with it on Thursday. Trading it a little bit more aggressive with like size and everything. I'm definitely risking a little bit heavier, around 1.2% per trade around. This trade I just risked like 400 because it's Asia. I didn't really want to try to go for too much. Okay, basically I'm napping. I really gotta go to bed. I have school tomorrow. I have to wake up really early tomorrow. So let me do this really quick. Right, I should pad list because of my freaking Invisalign. But basically I was back testing and I was doing my market review that I do for like 15 minutes before on a Sunday night. That's what I usually do before I go to bed. I do my little market recap, see what the market's doing. It happened to be moving extremely cleanly, and basically, wait, was this even 4 hour? No, it wasn't. It was 1 hour. But anyways, I marked it out as 4 hour sell side. This is 1 hour sell side, but it is, as you can tell, pretty high resistance liquidity. This is not internal low. This is a pretty external low, pretty high resistance. The way to know that is honestly just market experience, or no, just looking at the chart. If you'd understand that this isn't really an internal low, it's more of an external low. We trade down to it and we sweep it. We tap into this bullish 15 minute. Now we're delivering off of an high resistance low on the higher time frame, right? Hourly low that is high resistance. So that's the first thing. I need a delivery off a significant area. So I'm looking for the MEC model. Okay, we're delivering off a PD ray as well, so everything is looking good. I see that we have this. Let me just unfilled 5 minute right here. So once we are delivering off of an area like that, I'm expecting price to rebalance itself. Okay, this is what the whole MEC model is. This is my model. I also trade a continuation model. They're both very high win rate. We then get this really nice 1 minute inverse, and then it was a singular inverse. I did know that we had this 2 minute. So basically, what I did, I knew that we had this 2 minute here, so I just went break even once we tapped it, and you can see it didn't matter. We just ran a TP in literally 2 candles in Asia, which is kind of nice. Bro, in Asia session, I got TP'd in a candle, literally, which is kind of crazy. But yeah, that low key crazy trade, bro. This is literally A plus plus. I do not like this account balance at all. um, I do not like this account balance. Basically, I took this with two normal NQ contracts, which you might be like, whoa, what the hell? Why are you fucking full porting? That's just I'm not full porting. That's just the risk amount I risk. I was risking 400. It turns out that obviously Asia volatility is lower. Only I had a wait. Why is my thing glitching? So my stop loss was 16 points. Um, and I was going to risk 400. So you do the math on that. Did I do it right even? Wait. I know I only took it. Wait, did I take it with one or two? I think I took it with one. Because, wait, I mentioned 400. No, I took it with one contract. I'm sorry. I did not take it with two. I took it with one normal NQ contract. And it played out nicely. So that's it. I kind of extend the app a little bit, but I really have to go to bed. So it's a nice way to start my week on a Sunday night. It's kind of crazy. Very unexpected. I don't trade Asia, so technically I broke my rules. But it was such an A plus setup that I figured like the probabilities of this working, especially since the conditions actually look good. And I was like, okay, conditions are looking good. All I am is an observer of price. I'm looking at it. I'm like, conditions look good. My model is literally there in the best form that I could possibly ask for. I'm gonna take this. Um, so yeah, I shouldn't be doing that. I mean, like, technically it broke my rules, but sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. I'm joking. I'm joking. I'm not trying to glaze breaking your rules. Okay, it's not a good thing. I would say it's a very minor thing that I did. I think if I lost the trade, I still would have said like that was still like A plus plus. But I definitely won't trade Asia regularly. It's not something I do. Um, but I'm pretty fine with this. I guess rule break. I mean, I don't even have that in my rules. Honestly, it's not even a rule break because I never wrote down my rules that I just don't trade Asia. Asia, dude. Oh no, I had this. Frick. Oh, this was all messed up the whole time. Oh, whatever. Okay, I'm gonna stop yapping. That's the end of the trade recap. I appreciate you guys. Good way to start my week. Up around 6:50. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.